Have you ever met someone who wasn't the funniest, richest, or best-looking person in the room, yet everyone seemed to like them? Here's the surprising part. Psychologists have found that people decide how they feel about you within moments of meeting you. And it's usually not because of what you say. It's because of tiny behaviors your brain barely notices, but everyone else's brain does. Today, you'll discover 8 simple behaviors that instantly make people enjoy being around you. And number 8 is something almost nobody does, even though it's one of the most powerful. 1. Make people feel heard. Most people don't actually listen. They're just waiting for their turn to speak. The easiest way to become instantly likable is simple. Ask one follow-up question. If someone says they started a new job, don't change the topic. Ask, what's been the biggest surprise so far? People remember those who make them feel interesting. 2. Smile with your eyes. A fake smile lasts on your mouth. A real smile reaches your eyes. A genuine smile tells the brain, you're safe. That's why warm people instantly feel approachable before they even say a word. 3. Stop trying to impress. Ironically, the harder you try to look impressive, the less relatable you become. People connect more with authenticity than perfection. You don't need to prove you're amazing. Let people discover it naturally. 4. Remember small details. Someone mentions they have an exam next week, or that their dog was sick. The next time you meet, ask about it. That tiny moment says, you mattered enough for me to remember. Few compliments are stronger than remembered details. 5. Match their energy. Notice how good conversations seem effortless? That's because people naturally sync with each other. If someone is calm, don't overwhelm them. If they're excited, don't stay completely flat. Matching someone's energy, not copying them, creates instant comfort. 6. Give specific compliments. Instead of saying, you're smart, say, I really liked how clearly you explained that. Specific compliments feel genuine. Generic compliments often feel automatic. 7. Make them the hero. The most likable people don't talk about themselves all the time. They help others shine. Celebrate someone's success. Ask for their opinion. Let them tell the story. People love those who make them feel important. Leave every conversation better than you found it. This is the habit that separates unforgettable people from everyone else. Before leaving, leave behind one positive emotion. A laugh, encouragement, gratitude, hope. People rarely remember every word you said, but they'll always remember how they felt after talking to you. Being likable isn't about having the perfect personality. It's about making other people feel comfortable, valued, and understood. And the best part? None of these behaviors require you to become someone else. They simply help the best version of you become visible. So here's the challenge. The next time you talk to someone, use just one of these behaviors. You might be surprised by how differently people respond. And if you enjoyed learning the psychology behind everyday human behavior, subscribe, because the smallest habits often have the biggest impact.